Are you wondering, like me, how this machine could make this complex part alone, with high precision in a record time, with best surface finish quality? How did we achieve this technology from old manual machines to CNC standalone machines? I am Dynaman, and this is Pathman, a young old machine workshop owner. Every morning he sets off with energy and vitality to enter his workshop, heading toward his machine to begin manufacturing the piece his customer requested yesterday. But the work go harder and customer need more requirement as months go by. This day, Pathman go to the control office to see the result of part conformity indicator as every week. But this time, the result is shocking. Half of all parts fail to meet the specified requirements, while 1 in 5 compliant parts exhibit inconsistent quality levels. So standing alone for seconds, he asks himself, why not automate our machines to reduce failure? Why not buy standalone machine to save quality and reduce human errors? Pathman calls Marcos, his best friend and selling manager in machinery manufacturing company. Marcos see his phone ringing. He answer the call and say,
Good morning, Pathman.
Marcos, long time no see, my friend. I hope everything is going well with you.
Yeah, it's great to see you, brother. Always a pleasure. How's the shop running?
Well, to be honest, that's why I'm calling you. My classic manual machines have been the backbone of my shop for years, but we're hitting a wall. Between tight deadlines on big jobs and inevitable human error, the stress is piling up. I think it's finally time to upgrade. I need something automated and programmable. What do you think?
I completely understand. When you're dealing with high-volume, repetitive jobs, manual operation is a massive risk. Since we've worked together for a decade and a half, I know your setup inside and out. Remember that heavy-duty milling machine you bought from me last year? We actually have a specialized punch-tape numerical control unit designed specifically for it. It features a $600 with 600mm X-axis travel, making it the absolute perfect match for your mid to high volume production runs. It eliminates the human error factor entirely because the program handles the consistency.
That sounds exactly like what I need to save my sanity. What kind of investment are we looking at, and what are the exact specs?
Because you're already running that compatible mill, installation is going to be incredibly smooth. Now normally, I'd walk you through the standard pricing, but because we are running a flash promotion this week, I can get you a 20% discount on the entire package.
A 20% discount on a seamless match for my current machine? Marcos, say no more. Let's lock it in and purchase the machine today. Any chance your team can handle the installation this weekend so we minimize our downtime?
For a friend of 15 years? Absolutely. We'll have our technicians at your shop this Saturday to get it up, running, and calibrated.
Fantastic. I knew I could count on you. Thanks, Marcos. See you this weekend.
Thanks, Pathman. It's always an honor helping your business grow.
This new machine allowed Pathman to program his machine for maximum quality, flawless surface finishes, fewer errors, and faster cycle times. But years later, a new problem emerged. The new machine required mountains of paperwork. Pathman realized the process was still way too slow for high-volume production. In the meantime, Marcos's company imported a revolutionary new technology, the G-code controller. Instead of relying on stacks of paper, programmers could now input letters and numbers directly into the machine controller. This new technology has given Pathman a real boost in confidence. He no longer has to keep stacks of papers in his workshop, as everything is handled digitally. The controller is also capable of simulating G-code and providing a visual preview of the outcome. On top of that, features like the scaling tool, for generating the same part in varying dimensions, and geometric profile programming, for designing standard shapes without writing a single line of G-code, make his workflow significantly more efficient, and the situation goes good for years. But, by an odd coincidence, a customer submits a highly complex mold design for manufacturing. Pathman finds himself facing an entirely new challenge. The part demands intricate surface work and an exceptional level of detail, far beyond what a manual programmer could reasonably produce. The sheer volume alone is staggering, upwards of 20,000 lines of G-code. Add to that the risk of manual input errors and improper cutting conditions, and the potential for tool damage and poor surface finishing becomes a serious concern. Determined to find a solution, Pathman reaches out to an old classmate, Perla, a mechanical engineering researcher at the R&D Center of Paucon, a startup focused on developing extensions for CNC software. He arranges to meet her at a coffee shop called the Smart Drinker.
Pathman, long time no see. How are you? I can't believe it's been years. I heard you started your own workshop. How's everything running?
Hey Perla, so good to see you. Man, it really has been since middle school, hasn't it? I'm doing good. Honestly, that's actually why I reached out today. I usually do all my CNC programming manually, but a client just ordered a really complex mold. I'm a bit out of my depth and trying to figure out how to pull it off.
Oh, gotcha. You should check out Mastercam by CNC Software. It's pretty much the most popular CAM system worldwide. Instead of coding by hand, you just use an interactive graphic window, plug in your settings, and it automatically spits out the G-code. Give it a shot. It'll save you a ton of headaches.
Seriously? That sounds amazing. That is exactly what I'm looking for, just filling in the blanks on a screen and getting the program ready to go. This is going to save my project. You're a lifesaver, Perla. Thanks a million for the help.
Pathman doesn't wait for tomorrow. Driven by excitement, he heads straight to his workshop and downloads the trial version of Mastercam. Right away, he dives in testing the graphic interface, exploring the toolpath strategies, and running the simulation backplot to check for any collisions or interference. He carefully reviews the G-code output, but to truly trust the software, he needs to see it in action. He loads the program onto his machine and presses start. The results are nothing short of incredible, with standard tools and optimized cutting speeds right from the beginning. The tool slices through the material like butter. Every single part comes out with a flawless, consistent surface finish. Even better, part and tool failures plummet from a staggering 50% down to just 10%. This is exactly what Pathman has been looking for: unmatched quality, reliable delivery times, and the lowest production costs he's ever seen. This is the story of Pathman, a workshop owner who has lived through the incredible evolution of CNC machining. It has been a massive decade transforming the trade from this, and finally to this. But it makes you wonder, have we actually reached the peak of CNC technology? How is the AI revolution rewriting the rules of the shop floor? And what are the biggest challenges modern workshops are facing right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear your take. What topics do you want to see me cover next? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Also, make sure to like, share, and subscribe because we have a ton of amazing content lined up for the next few videos. See you in the next one.